If you are a lazy girl like me and you want these style of curls, this video is for you. Welcome back, guys. So I'm doing a voiceover, as you can obviously tell, because I don't know what happened. I recorded this video, and when I came to edit it, there was absolutely no audio, so I wasn't gonna let it go to waste. So here we are doing a voiceover. I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve these curls. These are easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? I'm also going to be sharing with you my favorite products, what I like to use, and all of the above. If you're lazy like me, if you don't know how to do your hair like me, this video is for you. So make sure you grab your cafecito, stay tuned, and let me show you how to achieve easy curls. All right, girls, let's start. So this is about third day hair, and I need a little boost. I don't like to wash my hair too often, so I like to add a little dry shampoo in between washes just to keep it fresh and clean. This is the one I'm using, Clean Freak by Not Your Mother's. I've realized it's not my favorite. It doesn't do a great job at like reducing the oil. So if you guys know of a very good dry shampoo, let me know because I'm always on the hunt for a new one. So I like to apply this pretty much at my roots because obviously that is where I have the most oil. As a curly hair girl, like it takes a while for my hair to get very oily, which is why I can go so long between washes. But yeah, we're just focusing this all over the roots. This is also going to give us a little bit of volume. Now I'm going to start parting the hair. You don't have to do this, but I personally like to part my hair just because I do have a lot of hair and my hair is long. And then we're going to add a little heat protectant. This is the Tresemme heat protectant that I've been using for years, like ever since I can remember. And the Dove heat protectant is also really good. Also, this other one that I've had for years is really, really good because it's specifically made for straighteners or blow drying your hair. So I like to use a little bit of both, and then I will split my hair in half. Once I have my hair split, I will section a piece. I like to take the width the same as the curling one will be my hair. So the width of my hair will match the width of my curling one. That way you're not adding too much. And then we're going to curl backwards away from the face. That's how I personally like to do my curls. And we're going to hold it in between 10 to 20 seconds. It depends on how high you have this temperature. This right here is the INH oval wand. When I'm telling you this is the best wand I've ever invested in, it is the best one because I have so many, and this is the only one that truly gives me those beachy Hollywood waves that I like. As you can see towards the end, I like to tug at my hair because I don't want that like tight curl. I want a loose curl, and by pulling at your hair, you're kind of creating that like effortless look. I don't know, maybe it doesn't make a difference, but this is what I've been doing and it really works for me. So, yeah, I just continue to do this throughout my hair, making sure that I am adding heat protectant as I go. And then as I pull it out, I make sure that I am pulling my hair strand. And this is a view on the back of my hair. This one goes under the hair and then the hair will go over the barrel. The back of my hair is really none of my business, so I try to just make it as cute as possible, but I think for the most part, like it'll look all evenly, if that makes sense. So I will continue to do this to the rest of my hair. Once I get to the top of my hair, I like to pull some sections and flip them backwards. That way it can create a tiny bit of volume. And at the top, I do tend to grab bigger pieces because these are the section, I guess, that I want to have the least amount of like curls. I just really want it to be super beachy and wavy and just beautiful. And then I will take some strands and again tuck them over the curling one and away from my face. You always want to face these away from your face. They just frame your face a lot better than if you do them facing forward, in my personal opinion. But there's no right or wrong on how to do your hair. It's just personal preference, and this is what I like. So yep, pretty much just finished curling my hair. It literally takes me maybe 20 minutes. Again, because I do have curly hair, I do have to blow dry it when I wash it. I blow dry it, and that kind of gives me the beginning or a start to the curls, like a base, if you will. So, yeah, I always have to blow dry my hair, which doesn't take me too long, but it definitely puts a lot of heat to my hair, which is why I'm so adamant about protecting your hair with heat protectant. So once we've cut the curls or done the curls, we're gonna take something else. I'm just a little extra, so don't judge me. This is the Wavy Talk thermal hairbrush. We're gonna do just the bangs. Now I'm taking the left bang and I'm swooping it to the opposite. So I'm swooping it to the right side. That is going to give you that swoosh, that like curtain bang. I definitely need to go get my bangs styled and I need a haircut soon. So I need to do something about them because they're a little too long now. But do you see how effortless that was? And it takes me no time at all. So I like to do that just because I like how they frame my face better. And I'm going to take now the right side and I'm going to swoop it to the left side. You can also do this with a straightener, but I just like to use this one because it just kind of like straightens my hair at the same time, and then it gives it that nice little like curl at the end. So I love this one. I got it from the TikTok shop, but I believe you can also buy it on Amazon. And it's perfect for creating those blowouts if you like that look as well. Last thing I like to do is add a little bit of a workable texture spray. This one right here is from Kendra S. You can find it at Target and Ulta. I love this because it adds enough texture where it just gives your hair so much body, but it doesn't make it crunchy or hard. Like you can see the difference between the side where I put the hairspray and the side that I haven't touched. It just gives it so much volume and texture. Oh my gosh, I love this spray so much, and it's pretty affordable, and again, it's a workable spray, so your hair is going to be manageable. You can still touch it, and it looks pretty. It holds pretty well all day. And then I just use my fingers, I run it through the curls to again make sure that they're just like tousled, messy, beachy waves. And that is how the hair looks. I love my hair like this. I think it's like my favorite hairstyle. I tend to be lazy, and this is like my go-to when I want to just change it up a little bit from my straight hair. And it looks cute. It's effortless, it's easy, and it's lazy girl approved. So I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm sorry that I had to do a voiceover, but I really did not want to let this video go to waste. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.